BabyBus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Dark shadow in the candy factory. One dark, quiet night, while everyone in town was fast asleep, the telephone at the police station started ringing.
This is Sheriff Labrador. What's up this late at night?
Sheriff Labrador, you must help me!
Oh, Panda? What happened?
For the past few days, I've been seeing a mysterious dark shadow in the factory. The shadow moves very fast, then disappears in a flash. And candy keeps going missing in the factory. I suspect the dark shadow to be a candy thief.
Candy thief? I'll be right there.
When Sheriff Labrador rushed to the candy factory, Panda, the factory's boss, was waiting for him at the entrance. The sheriff and Panda had just walked into the factory when they saw a small, dark shadow. Whoosh! It flashed past in the moonlight.
It's the dark shadow. Panda, hurry and turn on the lights.
Panda quickly turned on the lights. The factory suddenly became bright. But besides the two of them, they couldn't see anyone else.
Strange. Where's the dark shadow?
Oh no! My fruit candy! Sheriff Labrador, the dark shadow has stolen all the strawberry, apple, orange, banana, watermelon, and cantaloupe candy from our factory!
Oh no!
Panda saw all the empty jars on the shelves and felt very distressed.
Sheriff Labrador, you must catch this dark shadow!
Don't worry. There are no cases Sheriff Labrador can't solve.
Sheriff Labrador took out his magnifying glass and carefully studied the crime scene. He saw that the windows of the factory were closed tightly, and so were the doors.
Huh? The doors and windows are shut tightly. How did the dark shadow enter the factory?
Just then, a few sparkling fruit candies on the floor caught the sheriff's attention. He walked over to take a look. The candy had fallen out from the factory chimney, and they had ash from the chimney sticking to them. Sheriff Labrador's dark eyes suddenly lit up.
I've got it, Panda. The dark shadow enters the factory through the chimney.
Sheriff Labrador brought out his flashlight and shone it up the chimney. Sure enough, a chubby bat was carrying a big bag of candy, flapping his wings desperately as he tried to fly away.
Oh no! The Sheriff Labrador has discovered me! Oh, heave-ho! Heave-ho!
Oh dear! The bat is escaping!
I can fly! What can you do?
Candy thief! Return my candy!
Panda's face contorted with rage. He rushed up the chimney ladder to the rooftop, chasing the bat.
Panda, calm down, quickly!
No way! I can't let him steal my fruit candy!
Panda climbed the ladder in the tall, narrow chimney. Bat was panting, ready to fly out of the chimney, carrying the bag of fruit candy.
I'm so tired! When did the panda get here? Oh!
You can't escape now!
Ouch! Don't grab my wing!
Panda clung onto the bat desperately. Sheriff Labrador shouted loudly.
Panda, hurry and come down!
But Sheriff Labrador, I'm afraid of heights!
Only then did Panda realize that he had climbed to the top of the chimney in his excitement. It was a few stories high. When the wind blew, his hands and legs started to tremble.
Sheriff Labrador, help! I'm afraid!
I'm afraid too! Panda, you can't fly! Climbing so high to catch me is very dangerous! Why don't you just let me go?
Oh, forget it! I won't let you go!
Just then, another gust of wind blew. Panda, who was holding onto Bat, slipped and started falling from the tall chimney. Sheriff Labrador quickly found a few sacks of cotton candy and lay them under the chimney.
I'm going to fall to my death! Huh?
Panda Boss fell on top of the cotton candy, landing on his bottom, and the fruit candy scattered everywhere.
Ouch! My bottom! Oh no, my fruit candy! Where's the bat I caught?
Oh, You're sitting on him.
Sheriff Labrador pointed at Bat, who was squashed under Panda, nearly becoming a bat pancake.
Thank you so much, Sheriff Labrador. You've not only found the Dark Shadow, but have also saved me.
You're welcome. Just doing my job. Panda, climbing to high places is very dangerous. Whether you're looking for things or catching thieves, you shouldn't climb so high. Mini episode on safety. Woof! Woof! Panda, what are you doing on the side of the chimney?
Sheriff Labrador, I've invited Hawk here today to help me add a wire mesh at the top of the chimney. This way, it won't affect the ventilation, and thieves can't enter either. And I also want to put a sign on the side of the chimney.
Treasure your life. Avoid climbing high. That's very good. Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Climbing in high places is very dangerous. Just a careless step and you may fall. Not only will you sustain injuries, but in serious cases, you may even lose your life. Friends, never climb to high places unless you have proper safety equipment. Woof!